Good morning, good evening, wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen. You have arrived on this video because you want to know how to write your own business plan. Now, let me tell you a little bit about myself and why I started writing business plans. My name is Abe Phillips. I'm the owner of Business Plan Inspiration Incorporated, located in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. We've been in business for about 5 years now. And a little backstory on why I started writing business plans. I actually went to my local SBA and I asked the guy, say, hey, can you do some market research for me? So the guy was like, yeah, sure. Do you have a business plan? And then I just simply responded, well, no, I don't. And then the guy said something that just kind of like really hurted me. He said, well, I can't really take you serious without a business plan. So I didn't understand back then, but then now, now today I know why, because I was actually asking him to give me his time and do some research for me when I haven't even done my part, which actually come to him with a feasible business plan to show him that I'm serious about business. So ever since that day, I went back home. I took out a pen and pad and I wrote my own business plan, and I've been writing them ever since. Um, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some of our clients from the business plans that we've wrote for them. And actually, one of them, we actually started asking our clients to say, hey, let us know if you got approved for your loan. Now, most clients do, some don't, but I understand because, our part is just to write the investment ready business plan. So, actually, one of our clients this year, she actually said she actually got approved for her loan that she was seeking, which that was good because we had a part in that. So right now what I'm going to do is we actually put together this little 96 page step-by-step guide on how to write your own highly effective business plan. Now, if you don't know how to write your financial statements, we actually do that. We charge a small fee for that. A link will be below if you want us to, write your financial report, and there will also be a link below if you want like to purchase this this PDF. Is actually in a PDF form. So it's 96 pages, as you can see in the bottom left hand corner. We're not going to go through all 96 pages because I don't have that much time, but let's get right into it. How to write a highly effective business plan. Why do you need a business plan? But can't you just get things up and running and make adjustments as you go? I thought about that as well. A business plan functions as a crystal ball of sorts. Again, I'm not going to go through every step. It estimates total cost of startups, projects revenues and profits. It convince your investors. Compete from the start. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, before you start, unfortunately, many business plans are wildly unrealistic. In order to be effective, a business plan needs to be realistic. And I thought when I actually wrote mine, I was actually just like jotting stuff down, and then I looked at the numbers. I was like, no, there's no way you're going to be able to do these amount of numbers. You basically a startup as well. So I was like, well, I don't really know. But an executive summary. Just because it's short doesn't mean that it's not important. The Small Business Administration recommends that your plan contain at least the Small Business Administration recommends that your plan contains at least the following 6 things: a mission statement, general information, the company highlights. Now, on the company highlights, if you're a new startup, what I would suggest is that you actually do something that you have already done, like in your personal life. Like if you work a job, if you've done something like on your job pertaining to your business, or like if you if you do something like some side work on the side to help a nonprofit organization of some sort. I'll actually put that up in there just so you can show them that you actually already done something similar. products and services, financial report, and the future plans of your business. Now let's go to the company overview. This should include the industry you're in, your primary customer base, the big problem that you solve for customers, and how you solve that big problem. Okay, try to answer these questions. Who do you serve? How do you serve them? Alrighty, moving right along. Your market analysis. If this section is done properly, it assures readers that you know what you're getting into. This basically show your investors that you know what you actually getting into. The key industry information, that's where the SBA come in. That's why you take your business plan to them, and then they will actually do some market research. My company, we can do some market research, but it's nothing like having that information from the SBA. And we actually, a little backstory again, when I actually received my market research, it was actually like 100 pages. So they actually want you to make sure you're serious about business, because when I got those 100 pages, I was like, wow. And in those 100 pages, I saw stuff like who my competition was in my local area, and not just competition. You can actually also partner with them as well. Your target market data. Let's skip down to some more pages. Your products and services. Start by describing your particular products or service and the specific need it will meet. Now, I write business plans. So in my services, I would just simply put people need business plans in order to launch their business. You need a business plan for your nonprofit organization, because when you do have a nonprofit organization, you may meet what they call angel investors, and then they might be seeking to donate, and then they might want to just simply see your business plan to see what you're actually going to do with the money. Alrighty, moving along. However, if you're creating something entirely new, it's important to explain exactly how your products or service functions and why it's valuable. All right, let me see. Your marketing sales. Now, your marketing sales. Now, most people, well, I'm going to take me for example. I market my business on Facebook and Instagram. Why? Because that's where most people spend their time at, is Facebook and Instagram. So that's how I find my customers, through my Facebook page, and I will leave that link in the description also. We also, on that Facebook page, we also just give away free ebooks and other stuff as pertaining to business as well. Okay. The first element in your market plan needs to be positioning. Will you position yourself by offering lower prices, superior quality, superior service? So in this right here, this is how I like to have other people stand out. Like, let's say, for example, if you have a donut shop in your local area, and that donut shop, they only offer to where you can pull up and order. You can't go online, order online, and then go through and pick up. So let's say if you open up a donut shop, that's one way that you can stand out, to where they can actually order online and just through the drive-through and pick up. They don't have to wait. Another way is that you offer a rewards program, like a little stamp thing. And if they have something to where on your 10th visit you get 3 free donuts, or you get a free cup of coffee, or something like that. I'm going to skip right along because I'm almost about finished. Financial projections. Now, up under financial projections, that is just what they are. They are projections. Nobody know how exactly their business is going to go when they launch it. Now, up under financial projections, it says investors will closely examine this section to determine whether they want to give you funding. So be, like, again, what I said earlier, be realistic as possible. Don't come in and say, oh, I'm going to make $40,000 my first month in business. You have to be realistic. Now, it may hurt in the beginning, but if you believe in yourself, you can make your dreams come true. All right, let's moving right along. This will actually be my last slide. Again, if you would like to purchase this ebook to actually go through it and write your own business plan, the link will be below. Include as much past financial data as possible, including income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, operating budgets, account receivable and payable statements, documentation of any debt you're carrying. Again, this PDF will be available for purchase on our website. I'll leave the link below. If you have any questions when it comes to like simple questions, because I'll do consultation. So if you have any questions about business, you can leave it in the comment section. If I can get to it, I'll answer your question. We also write business plans ourselves, and our price is actually $1,000 because it's an investment ready business plan. It comes with everything you need, the 3 to 5 year financial reports. You'll come with a logo, an introductory letter, so you can actually go around to your local business in your area and let them know who you are and that you're in business. Basically, and we also adding that you will actually get all 50 of our ebooks that we have. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams.